Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. Welcome back. We are rolling the dice savings challenges today. We have got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. $22 to save into our challenges. The winter challenge will be going into the 2025 challenge when it's done. So we're going to get started. I have got a lot to get done today, and this is the only time I have to make a video. So let me see where I can roll this dice that won't be so noisy. We'll just do it over here. So the winter challenge is going to get 1 right now. So I will put 1 there. And I'll slide it over here. The next one is going to the car payoff. We get 3 on that one. So we'll pop down here. 3. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to go over here towards this one. This one is going towards mortgage. And that one gets a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one right here is going to go towards birthdays. All of these right here came from the Happy Mailbox Company. Lisa, over at Lisa Grateful Me on YouTube. That didn't roll, but we're going to try it again. So we'll do 2 with this one. 1, 2. It just fell right out of my hands. So we are going to back up and start over. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, I got enough for another one. So we will just pop over here on this one. And it's a 3. 1, 2, 3 again. And we have 3 left, so what I'm going to do with this 3 is come back here and color in a 3. So there's 3, and I will color in a 3 there. Can y'all see where I'm at? Nope. Okay, I'm going to color in this 3 right here. And so far in this one, we have got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. We've got $57 in this one so far. So I hope everybody is ready for Christmas. It'll be here in no time. What we got, what, 6 days till Christmas? That is crazy. This year has absolutely flew by, And I am looking forward for 2025 to be a better year for everyone, because 2024 has just seemed like it has been nuts for a lot of people. Hopefully, inflation will start going down and eggs won't be $6 a dozen. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12, 19. We added 6. We should have 22. Right? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yep, 22. Uh-oh. I got $1 missing. 15, 16. No, wait. Yep, that's right. 15, 16. Took the 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh my goodness, guys. I can't count this morning. And that's okay. And then winter challenge. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It got 5. What is today's day? I just wrote it down and I forgot that quick. And it got 5, so it should have 35 in it. Twenty, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. If I said 25, I meant 35. My brain don't work halfway anymore. So, that's it for this little challenge, and I will see you all in a little bit with another video. And I am so glad for all the new subscribers I've got. Hang around, because 2025 is going to be a brand new year with all new videos of planning, saving money, showing my budget, and paying my bills. So you all stay tuned, because it's going to be a wild ride. Remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.